Okay, so the kids are off to school and we have a lot of things to get done today. I unfortunately don't have an exact plan because I've been pretty unorganized this whole week, but I do know that I need to restock a couple things, go over inventory, and then possibly do a YouTube video. I try and do one every week. So, film a YouTube video, and then if I have time, work on a formula for a class I'm teaching on my Patreon. So it's a lot to do. We'll see how much we get done. But first, I'm going to get some coffee. I need some type of coffee. Okay, I have my coffee. Let's get productive. But we need to clean up. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. I can't do anything until I clean up. Look at this. It's a mess. Let's clean it up and restock. Look at this cute little beaker I found while I was cleaning. It's so cute. And they're like, so cute. Okay. But anyway, we're done cleaning. So it's time to restock. So the holidays wiped out a lot of my stock, specifically my body butters and a couple of my best selling soaps. So we're going to take a little time and restock because I have a lot of back in stock requests. So I need to get on that. Yeah. So we're going to do that and then we'll move on to something else. I really like making body butter, but I don't like how time consuming it can be. It can be quite time consuming. It takes a lot of time to melt the butters down, to then cool them off, to then whip them up. It takes a lot of time, but it's such a nice product at the end. And I realized that the best ratio for butters to oils for a good soft body butter is 70% butters and 30% oils. So now we have to melt all of our butters down. And while they're melting down, we will work on some soaps. Like one of the soaps that went out in the shop was my aloe vera soap, and then another one was my turmeric and honey soap. So we will restock those ones. Okay, so soaps have been made, body butter is still whipping. So it's time to do inventory. I try and do this once a month, but I'm going to be honest with you, I have not done an inventory of all of the things and what I need to order in a long time. So I need to do that and kind of clean up my space, do some inventory. So first I like to go over like my labels. I have a small space, so I keep my labels in one of these type of like file folders, and it's organized by product. So where we have like my Christmas scented body butters, the fall ones, and then vanilla, mango, my bath bombs, each soap, they all have like a little spot in here, my body scrubs. So I'll go through those, and then I'll go through my baskets and see what I need. Okay, so I am now in my living room because I'm going to try to record some YouTube. So every Monday I try to do some tutorials of like how to make different skincare items or whatever. So today I'm going to try and do one on a toner with hyaluronic acid in it. I actually tried to do this same video a couple weeks ago, but I ruined the formula. So I ruined the whole batch, and I did not have time to go back and like record the video. I didn't have time. So I'm going to try it again today. And I'm in the living room to record my videos. This is where I do all the videos, is in my living room because it gets the most light. I don't have a bunch of like lighting and all that kind of stuff. So I got to use what God gives me, and that's sunlight. So most of the time I record my videos in my living room with the sun. Thank you, Jesus. So let's record a video. And then after that, I don't know, we'll just see what else I have time for. Well, my time has run out. It is now time for me to put on my mommy hat and then also eat because I have not eaten any lunch. But now it is time for go. And overall, it has been a pretty good day. I would say pretty productive. I don't know. What do you guys think? But thank you for spending the day with me. And I don't know, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.